How to share your Quora space to Facebook group directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Quora space to Facebook group directly so you can get new members. So first thing, go to Quora. Now go to the profile, click on your profile here, and now on your profile choose your space right here. Click on the space. This is the space that I want to share on Facebook, for example. Now all what you have to do is click on those three dots in the top corner, or you can click on those three dots. Click and choose share, and now you will find Facebook groups option right here. All what you have to do is click on it and choose the group that you want to share to, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.